So in this first section, I walk you through, and you'll see in the screen video, just navigating through Excel. So we don't actually dive right into the model. If you're really familiar with Excel, you could probably skip this section. I just walk you through at a very rough kind of format, different formulas we use, formatting, things like that. Most of it is covered, I would say, in the next lecture, which you're going to see, which is the actual screen video, and I believe it's the first one of the entire course. Just to give you a few things to throw it out there, I would say you should at least be comfortable with creating and moving through different tabs in Excel. Again, this isn't a course in Excel. I'm not going to teach you how to do everything. I have an assumption that you know basic accounting and you know basic Excel. So if any of this already is starting to sound a little confusing, you might want to get up to speed on that first. Know how to move through the tabs, name tabs. We don't use any overly complex formulas, but we do use the sum formula, where you sum a group of cells. As well, we reference cells in other tabs. So if you're familiar with adding or subtracting or multiplying cells from various tabs, it's not necessarily difficult, but you should at least know how to do it. These are things that we'll use throughout the model, so it's really important. There's some general, I would say on the formula front, other than sum, divide and maybe multiply, we really don't get into anything too complex. I think the most complex formula I used is an if formula. If you're not familiar with it, I do discuss that one in depth a bit more in the video, just knowing that most people might not be familiar with it. That's about it for formulas. On the formatting front, general formatting. If you can shade and underline some cells and bold, it's really just about making it pretty. So that's the extent of the kind of formatting within Excel. And I think that's it. We don't get into anything too crazy like pivot tables or vertical lookup, so we're good on that front. So if you understand those basic formulas, how to add and divide and subtract, run the sum formula, and then if you can navigate through the tabs, do the general formatting, I think you should be good on the Excel front. So good luck, and then watch the screenshot video where I also just kind of walk through specifically what it is, and we use some kind of dummy numbers to just manipulate.